Analytics reports, emails, and figuring out next month's blog topics. So it involves going into analytics, seeing what a client's website should be showing up for, but they're not getting any clicks. If they're not getting any clicks for a topic that makes sense, then we turn that into a blog topic, write some good content, and hopefully get some web traffic out of it.
Well, I made myself a coffee. Came up here to put some milk and sugar in it, put the milk in, took a nice big swig, and I went to check the date on the milk in the fridge, and it's long since expired. So that was gross.
Chicken stripped.
Yeah, that's Howard. Jackie Chan. He lives up here. Emilio Estevez. Joak. Clyde. Of course, you always have to have all your ducks in a row. So yeah, we got classic Donald, Lisa, Parthenax. That one's Carly. Rudolph, Bartholomew. There's Bonnie. Esteban, LeBoeuf, Bert, Eric, Ada, and Owen. And where's Gina gone?
Gina's here.
Yeah, Gina's there. Those are the ducks.
Some photo editing, some accounting, and answering emails. And drinking coffee. That may be the most interesting thing I'll do today.
So, well, I'm kind of working on two different things right now. I'm working on Facebook posts for an insurance company, and I'm working on Dragon's website. We're starting to do the content for that, so putting together a bit of the ideas of what we're gonna make happen. Mitch has been mostly responsible for designing the UX, and then I'll be doing the copywriting for it all. We're trying to make something that's more articulated as to explaining what the company actually does. Their current website works really well as a portfolio, but it doesn't do a very good job of explaining who they are, why somebody might be interested in partnering with them.
Yo.
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, that's nasty.
Old cake.
Oh.
Celebrating too hard.
It smells so bad.
Yep.
What?
Sometimes people leave really disgusting things in the fridge. Someone has to, and it is way too disgusting to leave. Double clean. See ya.
It's called like standing bow pose. Oh, that's cute. Alright, and then with it. So everyone we're shooting has a different height, which is really fun. So we adjust the lights and adjust where the tripod is based on how tall they are.
I got into this industry because you didn't have to dress nice.
I feel like that's just asking for
Okay.
a double chin.
No, you gotta put it out and down. It sounds horrible, but it looks so good in photos.
I've never felt more awkward, and I'm an awkward individual.
Don't video me too.
Okay.
Yeah, like one leg behind you just a touch. There you go. It's on a little angle.
Then you come in for the big slice. Yeah, and then you beat the shit out of each other.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
17.
So you're still in high school,
Yep, going into grade 12 next year.
and you're doing web development currently as your job.
Happily, yes. Been doing this since I was about 13. Yeah, self-teaching everywhere.
The servers are crashing. The servers are crashing.
What?
The servers are crashing! Let's do this. I need more power.